So I have the 6-liter humidifier from Provirtec. In this video, I'm going to show you everything that you receive with your purchase and a quick guide on how to get this set up and how to use it. So here's what you get. You get the humidifier itself. This is going to be the power ring that goes into here, and I'll show you where this goes. You also do get a remote. And they do give you batteries for this, so you can use it right out of the box. But if you're curious, they're AAA batteries. You would need 2 of them. And they do give you a sponge and kind of cleaning brush to clean this if you ever need to do it. But how this works, super easy. So the top is just going to come off here. And at this point, this is where you put the water in. I'll bring the camera a little bit closer so you can see it, but super, super easy to do. Okay, now we get this filled up. So this is going to be your power ring on here. It's going to say this side up. So you just want to drop that in the top here. Once we have that dropped in there, we can go ahead and put our water in. Now just pour around the outside. This is going to be the minimum water you want. This is going to be the maximum amount. If you put the max in, it's supposed to last up to 60 hours of run time. So they say use distilled or purified water. We'll get this thing filled up. Put our top on, and then I'll show you how it works. Okay, so now that we got this water filled up in here, I have it about halfway. We're just going to turn it on with the power button. Super easy, and now there's a bunch of different features to this. So you can manually control the mist with just doing levels here. It goes 1 to 5, obviously 5 being more, 1 being less. Otherwise, they have an auto feature here, so you can just control what you want for humidity. So we can go auto here. Let's say, hey, I want my humidity at 60%. It'll go until the humidity is at the room is at 60%. It'll automatically detect that and then turn off. And you can choose anywhere between 40 to 60. So I think that's really, really cool. They also do have a simple feature here, they call it. So as you can see here, the construction all around is supposed to eliminate cracks in the humidifier or just dead zones or spots that are hard to clean. So it is supposed to stay completely clean for you, and you don't have to worry about bacteria, odor, or anything like that. Another thing I love about this is actually going to be the mist itself. So they use an ultrasonic technology. And this is why I bought this thing. And so far, I have noticed it and I love it. So if you've had misters in the past where the mist coming off kind of gives like a white type residue, this is supposed to use some technology that's not supposed to do that. And so far, I've not noticed it at all. So I'm super happy about that. But overall, this is exactly what I wanted. Easy to set up. Looks amazing. They even have a warm mist here, which I personally like to use because I'm in Minnesota and it's freezing cold. I do not want, cold mist blowing in my face. But very happy with this. Give it 2 thumbs up.